Hello class, welcome to this crash course, mains crash course by Chanakya IAS Academy. Today we will continue the Bihar special series. उसमें हम एक important policy decision को analyze करेंगे, उसके major provisions को discuss करेंगे, and we will then see what are the positive and negative implications. So let's talk about liquor ban in Bihar. Let's talk about the issues associated with it and how it is important for you in your mains exam as well as interview. Let's see. When we talk about liquor ban policy was brought about in 2016 by Nitish Kumar government to keep the poll promise of improving the conditions of women for alleviating their sufferings, to protect them from domestic violence, as well as improving the livelihood conditions of the poor and who were very much impacted by excessive liquor consumption. So let's start what happened in this prohibition law. What happened? Manufacture, sale and consumption of liquor were banned in the entire state. Also, it provided for jail terms and fines for liquor prohibition. Different jail terms, different fines were imposed for first time offenders, second time offenders, and this was basically done to stop the liquor consumption. इसके क्या क्या major provisions हुए? Recently different provisions से 550,000 का fine for first time offender, 1 month jail term, 6 term jail term, but this was later amended 2000. There was a major amendment in 2018 जिससे जो फर्स्ट टाइम फाइन था वो 50,000 हो गया, उसके बाद 1 महीने की जेल टर्म, एंड इफ यू आर अ सेकेंड टाइम ऑफेंडर देन you can land up in jail for a year also. So ये सब होने के बाद अब जुडिशरी was very much concerned कि जुडिशरी overburdened हो गई लिकर बैन के केसेस से. There was very much hue and cry that this has caused overcrowding of jails, overcrowding, overburdening over the judiciary. जो heinous crimes थे उसको जुडिशरी देख नहीं पा रही थी, बहुत ज़्यादा इतने ज़्यादा केसेस बढ़ गए थे लिकर प्रोहिबिशन के. सो व्हाट जुडिशरी रिकमेंडेड, इट रेकमेंडेड कि आप रैशनलाइज करो कि जो भी आपका फाइन्स है, इम्प्रिजनमेंट टर्म है, ताकि इसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन स्मूथ हो सके. सो लेटेस्ट 2022 में अमेंडमेंट्स आए और अकॉर्डिंग टू लेटेस्ट अमेंडमेंट, इफ अ पर्सन इज कॉट consuming liquor for the first time, then he would be charged between 2,000 to 5,000. Also, he could get a jail term of 1 month. And if a person is caught drinking alcohol for the second time, he is to undergo 1 year imprisonment. So this is the latest fine and imprisonment terms according to liquor prohibition law. And now we will understand कि इस policy decisions के क्या implications हुए सोसाइटी में. बहुत इसकी चर्चा होती है डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में, डिफरेंट पॉलिसी प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे कि क्या शराबबंदी सही है, इसके क्या इकोनॉमी पे इम्पैक्ट है, क्या सोसाइटी पे इम्पैक्ट है, एंड हाउ शुड वी गो अहेड, हाउ शुड द बिहार गो अहेड, शैल इट कंटिन्यू विद द पॉलिसी और वी नीड सम मेजर amendments. So these things are often discussed in the public policy platform. So we will briefly see what are the merits and demerits based on a report commissioned by Bihar government. Let's see. There was a study commissioned by Bihar government. According to that, there are some positive as well as negative implications of liquor ban policy, but 80% of the people who participated in this study supported liquor ban. This study was carried out on around 23,000 people and it was done by Chanakya Law Institute, and these are the major findings. You can see first major positive implication of this liquor ban is there is an increase in income due to savings from the expenditure on liquor. Naturally this is हैपनिंग. अगर आप लिकर पे स्पेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आपकी इनकम नेचुरली बढ़ जाएगी. व्हाट अनदर सिग्निफिकेंट फाइंडिंग वाज देयर वाज अ रिटर्न ऑफ फैमिली ब्लिस ड्यू टू प्रोहिबिशन. People earlier used to don't have time for their family, they are going out, they are having liquor, and when they are coming back to family, they are creating fuss. So what happened after liquor prohibition? There was a रिटर्न ऑफ फैमिली ब्लिस। ये हम नहीं कहते, ये सर्वे में जितने भी लोग थे जिनमें उनके घर में कोई लिकर कंज्यूम करता होगा, तो उन्होंने ये बताया कि उनकी लाइफ में फैमिली ब्लिस वापस आ गया है। और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट इम्प्लीकेशन अगर आप देखें कि डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस बहुत ज्यादा रिडक्शन हुआ है, 91% रिडक्शन इन डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस। 74% people said that without intoxication habitual drinkers were spending nice time with their family. Also, there was improvement in health parameters of the people who have stopped taking liquor. Over 50% people said it has led to improved road safety as drunken driving has decreased. Regularly, when there is no liquor, there will be no drunken driving, so road safety would naturally increase. Around 40% of the responders said role of the women in the family in the decision making, their freedom to go out has improved further, and now they are more free in going outside and doing work. So these are some of the major positive implications. Basically women की conditions को बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस कम हुआ है, फिजिकल वायलेंस उन पे कम हो गया है, उनकी सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी ज्यादा इम्प्रूव हो गई है, ऑल्सो पॉवर्टी से बाहर आए हैं। दिस वॉज पुशिंग हाउसहोल्ड्स इनटू द साइकिल ऑफ पॉवर्टी, दैट हैज रिड्यूस्ड। नाउ देयर आर ऑल्सो सम फॉलआउट्स एसोसिएटेड विद द पॉलिसी। The intention of the policy is good, but due to the nature of the regulation, there are some fallouts. Let's look at them one by one. So the first natural fallout would be the people associated, people who are carrying out the liquor trade, their livelihoods will be impacted. Of course, they will have to look for the alternate employment. So there were major fallout on their lifestyle. Another problem was there was like majorly Patna High Court also has pointed out that there are problems in the implementation of this scheme. The implementation is not that smooth. Small traders, they are being catched, but the organized gang, they escape away from the clutches of the police. So there are implementation gaps in the policy. Also, the lives of the people of the Bihar have come under the risk due to rise in the trade of spurious liquor. बहुत ज्यादा स्पूरियस लिकर का ट्रेड हो रहा है, इलिसिट ट्रेड मशरूम कर रहा है, कुछ ट्रेजेडीज हो रही हैं बहुत ज्यादा, ड्रग एडिक्शन बढ़ गया है क्योंकि लोग अब ऑल्टरनेट स्टफ देखते हैं टू गेट इंटॉक्सिकेटेड. सो दिस हैज लेड टू इंक्रीज in drug addiction. Also, there are environmental hazards also. When people dispose the liquor bottles, they do that. Improper destruction of seized bottles is there. So this has also led to environmental hazard. So this was all about liquor ban. We have understood the positive and the negatives. Also, we have talked about what Supreme Court has said, and let's now further explore other topics in other videos. Stay tuned to the channel. Thank you so much, class.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.